Life sciences organizations must manage thousands of quality and manufacturing documents, moving them down a winding, complex path of revisions, reviews, and approvals. Without complete control and visibility over this process, organizations risk errors that can lead to non-compliance and costly production delays. OpenText Documentum for Quality and Manufacturing, part of OpenText Documentum for Life Sciences, provides that control. Available on-premises or in the cloud, Documentum for Quality and Manufacturing automates and streamlines document management for unparalleled accuracy, efficiency, and availability. Whether you are managing manufacturing content manually or struggling with an unwieldy legacy solution, Documentum for Quality and Manufacturing ensures consistent document control, compliance, and uninterrupted operations, while reducing risk. Documentum for Quality and Manufacturing is about simplicity, efficiency, and productivity. Intuitive role-based interfaces and mobile integration make the solution easy and convenient to use. Documents are easy to create and retrieve and can be edited by multiple authors, with previous versions instantly replaced. Controlled documents are automatically routed to identified reviewers, who are notified when changes are made or approvals needed. You can rest assured that controlled content is being accessed by the right people at the right time. Controlled documents can be securely printed, tracked, and recalled or reconciled to help ensure adherence with sections of the FDA Data Integrity Guidance. You can also easily track and report all read and understood actions for employees. GMP compliance is enforced with extensive audit trails, electronic signatures, version control, security, and lifecycle management. Documentum for Quality and Manufacturing leverages OpenText's 25 years of life sciences experience to meet the industry's expanding needs. OpenText is more committed than ever to delivering complete solutions that help organizations like yours get exactly where they need to be.